Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys trying to find the headlights, fuses and relays on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, the headlights, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra. By the way guys, here now you have many hidden fuse boxes in that truck. Most people do not know they even exist. That's why we made one special video that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it will be on our YouTube channel. Lucky for us, we're working a fuse box that's easy to get to. Open the hood, facing the engine now. Here you see on the here on the driver's side, okay, that's the brake fluid reservoir, that's the main engine fuse box. Open that cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Guys, there will be two different kinds of fuse boxes. This is specifically only for year 2018. The other kind, they use it from year 2014 to 2017. Let's explain about this one first here. The fuse that you need to check if you have a 2018 model, it's known as fuse number 58. That's double micro 3 blade fuse. You need to check that one here. Now, guys, also, that's hard to find fuse, so always keep spare ones because those are really hard to find usually. If you have a 2014 through 2017, that fuse, instead of being 58, is known as fuse number 59, but it's exactly the same location for that specific fuse. You don't have any relays guys, okay, for the headlights you have only this fuse that's known as a relay fuse, but the relay function is practically controlled by the body control module. So in some cases, if you had problems with headlights, you may need to reset codes in the body control module and also check fuses and relays for the body control module guys. We'll have the video on the channel for any of you looking for that. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.